Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all a very powerful hair growth spray that will help strengthen your hair strands, prevent dandruff, and also promote hair growth. So guys, if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching and don't also forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video. So now let's dive right into the video. So guys, the ingredients that we'll be using for making this hair growth spray are kitchen ingredients, and the number one ingredient that we'll be using is rosemary leaves. Okay, rosemary leaves is a very powerful ingredient that helps support blood circulation to the scalp. It helps to prevent premature graying, and also it treats dry and itchy scalp. It can also heal wounds on the scalp. Okay, these are the benefits of rosemary, and you can also do your own research before making use of them. And the next powerful kitchen ingredient that we'll be using for this hair growth spray is cloves. Guys, you all know that cloves are very powerful. If you're in the natural hair community, you should know how powerful cloves are by now, and it is a very popular ingredient that is used for hair growth in the natural hair community. Okay, so now let me share with you all the benefits of using cloves. Clove is an antioxidant. Okay, it helps prevent hair loss, it also prevents premature graying, and it improves hair strength and thickness. This ingredient is going to help strengthen your hair and also reduce breakage. Okay, it improves blood circulation to the scalp. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help control scalp inflammations. It helps to treat dandruff, and also it stops any form of scalp discomfort and itchiness. It also contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties which helps to fight or prevent scalp infections that can contribute to hair loss. So these are the benefits that you are going to gain when you use these two ingredients on your natural hair. All right. So guys, in a bowl I'll be adding my rosemary leaves and my cloves together. As you can see, this is the quantity that I'm using. The quantity that you'll be using depends on the amount of water you will be adding, and also how thick or long your hair is. So right now I'll go ahead and pour in a boiled water. This water is really hot, so after pouring that in, I will go ahead and cover it up and let it sit for 3 to 4 hours. Letting it sit like this will allow the nutrients from the cloves and rosemary to infuse into the water, because what we need is the nutrients from this ingredients. Okay, so this is 3 hours later, and this is what my cloves and rosemary mixture is looking like. So I'll go ahead and strain it out using this little sieve. And after straining it with this little sieve, I still went ahead to use a more tiny mesh to strain it, so that I don't get these tiny particles to clog my spray bottle. So now guys, I have transferred it into my spray bottle, and I'll be showing you all how I use it on my natural hair. Guys, one thing you should know about using clove on your hair is that you should always moisturize your hair after using cloves. Make use of your hair butter so that your hair doesn't dry out, because cloves has a way of sucking out all the moisture from your hair, and that is why so many people complain that cloves break off their hair. That is because they are not moisturizing enough after using the clove water, the clove and rosemary water. After using it, please make sure to moisturize your hair with your hair butter. Or okay, so guys, this is me applying the clove spray. The water is still a little bit warm, which is very perfect, because that way it is going to stimulate your scalp and improve blood flow to your scalp. So guys, I washed my hair some days, like 3 days ago, before doing this treatment. This treatment is best done on a scalp that is very clean. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead and spray this mixture thoroughly on my hair. As you're seeing, I'll make sure that the mixture gets to my scalp and all strands of my hair.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We begin to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
So lovelies, after thoroughly spraying the clove and rosemary hairspray on my hair, I will proceed to massaging my scalp. Massaging your scalp after every hair treatment is very crucial because it is going to improve blood flow to your scalp, which transports nutrients that are beneficial to your hair growth. Okay, so I'll go ahead and massage my scalp thoroughly, focusing on my edges and the nape of my neck as well.
He puts a hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from
So right now I'll just go ahead and moisturize my hair using my local raw African shea butter. Okay, I'm going to be moisturizing every strand of my hair. I'm moisturizing my hair all together, but if you have a hair that is more thicker and fuller than mine, you can moisturize your hair in sections. Okay, I don't moisturize my hair in sections, but I just want to do this today. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and let me know if you'll be trying out clove and rosemary water on your hair. Okay, so see you in my next upload.